Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Joy Bragas, 23 years old, single, and I'm undergraduate of Hospitality Management.
Good day to you, Miss Joy. How are you?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, they must be hardworking, patient, honest, and they must be loyal, Sir, Madam.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I will concentrate to my work, Sir, Madam, and I will make myself busy.
So can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
I will give them food, give them vitamins, play with them, and love them, Sir, Madam.
What if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will ask sorry and promise not to do it again.
Okay, so Miss Joy, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me because I need this job to support my family financially, and I promise I will finish my 2 years contract with you, Sir, Madam.
Thank you, Miss Joy, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.